morning. I'm Dr. Pinky Devi. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon practicing in Bangalore. Today, let's discuss some of the commonly done cosmetic breast surgeries for the female. We have the breast augmentation, the breast reduction, and the breast lift. These are the three common procedures done cosmetic wise for a female breast. In breast augmentation, there are a lot of females who have a normally developed breast, but the size is quite small and they find it very hampering the confidence level. They're not happy basically with the size and they would always want it to have a bigger breast. In such people, such females, we can always help them either with a silicone based breast augmentation or a fat transfer to the breast. In silicone based breast augmentation, we are using a silicone gel based implant which can either be anatomical or a rounded implant, and the size or the volume of the implant is basically decided by few measurements of the female, and this implant is placed behind the breast gland and this helps in increasing size of the breast. This is a daycare procedure, completely safe and with a minimal downtime. Whereas there are a lot of females who are very scared with the thought of having an artificial material inside them. So in such cases, and if the female has enough of fat in other areas like the abdomen, the back or the thigh, we can harvest fat on these areas and put it in the breast, called the autologous fat transfer or the autologous fat breast augmentation. Even this is a daycare procedure and completely safe with minimal downtime. Then in some females who have a very heavy breast, causing difficulty in the day-to-day activity, like they may have a shoulder pain, they may have a slouching, they may have a shoulder impingement, and also a lot of females may have fungal infections in the inframammary crease. In such cases, we can reduce the size or do a breast reduction, wherein the size of the breast is reduced to a size which is much comfortable for the patient. This is also a daycare surgery and completely safe. Then in breast lift, some females may have a very sagging breast. Either it could be due to age-related or following delivery due to hormonal changes, due to following breastfeeding, or due to massive weight loss. In such cases, the breast size may be smaller or bigger, but the breast has basically sag. That is, the nipple and the areolar complex is much below the inframammary crease. In such people who desire a breast lift, we can surgically bring the nipple areolar complex to a more aesthetic looking point and also make the breast look more perkier. Breast lift is also a daycare surgery. It can either be combined with breast reduction in case of the size of the breast being very big. In such or it can be even combined with breast augmentation, where the size of the breast was smaller but saggy. So all these procedures are a daycare surgery. A lot of female patients who come to me, they always say they are always wanted to get this breast surgery, but they have a lot of doubts in their mind. They are always scared of the safety point, especially the elderly females of their family, the mothers who come for consultation along with them in most of the cases. They're always concerned a breast surgery can actually harm the chest, can result in future breast cancer. And these are some of the things which keep the females, sorting out any help. But let me tell you, breast surgeries are completely safe, done by a board certified plastic surgeon in a safe environment. For any further doubts, we are always here to help you at Pink Apple Aesthetics. Thank you.